Hello, my name is Chris Collins, and I am the Executive Director here at Summit Academy. At Summit Academy, a student's success really depends on how well they transition in our program and how well they transition back to their home schools. With the addition of Meg Parker, our transition counselor, we are ensuring that every student has the greatest opportunity to succeed.
Hi, my name is Meg Parker. I'm the Student Transition Counselor at Summit Academy. My role here is brand new this year, and I play a very vital role in our entire mission of reset, connect, restore, and return. Our students are going to be meeting with me first before they even attend their first day through the orientation process. This is an opportunity for students along with their guardians to come and find out what Summit really is all about. Once we have these students in our building, I work with them personally one-on-one to establish what works for them, what doesn't work for them, and how we can best support them.
The Student Transition Counselor program has been essential here at Summit Academy. It really helps the students with their smooth transition from their sending schools here to Summit Academy, supports them while they're here, and then the smooth transition back to their schools when they're ready.
This is how we have identified that a transition role is so important. Students need to be able to feel seen and heard, and they also need to be able to have the resources available to help them get back to their home school. So a transition counselor is going to be their one-on-one support system that is going to help find the resources that they need and the supports that we can give them. My goal is to really be a vital player in the community for the entire Winnebago County. I want to be able to work with these families from the phone calls that I receive before we even get that student's application. I am helping those families understand what our program is about, helping them understand how we can help. But it doesn't just end there. Summit Academy is not the only place that can help. And if I'm going into these communities and finding resources that I can set parents up with, that would be great. Being able to get into their schools for their family nights and be a presence at the place that they came from and they're going to go back to. I think that's such a crucial part of transitioning a student. It's the whole life cycle of the student that we're looking at, not just our role here, but how can we help them with community needs as well.
Meg Parker has been an instrumental role in the student transition counselor role. She's really helped with supporting the students in their mental health as well as the families in that transition from their sending school while they're here at Summit and sending them back to their sending school.
This transition counselor role was so vital, but was made possible by the Winnebago County Community Mental Health Board and generously funded by the Winnebago County half-cent sales tax. Without their support and without their belief that our position here is so vital in getting these kids back to their home school, we would not be able to do this for them. We have the supports, and now we do have the funding that is allowing us to get the right staff members that are trained to help students like this. Summit Academy, and myself especially, are beyond thankful for the Winnebago County Community Mental Health Board to select us to receive this funding from the Winnebago County half-cent sales tax. It is a dream come true for somebody to be able to impact so many students on a daily basis, to watch those students make a successful transition back, to watch those students graduate with their classmates from Summit Academy. Every single student that walks through this door is special, and we have the ability to get to know them on a personal basis and get to understand how we can build and keep helping and decide how we can make this even bigger and better for every student that's going to be serviced by us, because we are more than a traditional school. We are educating these children at the same time as supporting them in their mental health needs.